Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about the Convert Entities tool in SolidWorks. So for Convert Entities, what it does is if you have a sketch and you have another sketch and you want to make a exact copy and have it reference each other, then that's how you would use Convert Entities. So here we're going to sketch on the top plane and we're going to go ahead and sketch a circle. So let's say I made the circle 3 inches, and then I'm gonna exit smart dimension, and let's just make this for construction. And if I go ahead and create another sketch on the top plane, if I select this sketch, then I could go ahead and choose convert entities. Then what that does is there's actually two sketches now. So one sketch, that's the first one, and the second sketch, which is a circle that's exactly over it. So if I edit the dimension of this one to 5, you will see that my converted sketch also follows exactly. Okay, so that's how you do convert entities. There's this intersection curve that we're not going to talk about right now, but for convert entities, a lot of times we start doing features. A lot of times you may want to reference a sketch that's on a certain part. So that could be like an extension of how you use convert entities. But the basic idea is you make a copy of a sketch and you're referencing it so it'll change with it. Okay, so that's about it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.